How to get message request for deliver request from people in your Facebook group. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook. Here in Facebook application, in homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the how people find and contact you. Okay, you can tap this. And okay, here below this you can see the how you get message request for deliver requests from people in your Facebook group. So this settings is set into chat. So you can change this by tap this and you can see the option. So you can set into chat, message request, or you can set into don't receive request. And I decide to set the message request. And here, group message requests won't be delivered to your chat list. Remember, not all messages are message requests. And okay, after you set, tap the save button below to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set message request for deliver requests from people in your Facebook group. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.